This video niche is all about forgotten foods from history, foods people once ate regularly but later got banned or disappeared over time. And the crazy part is, these videos are being created using completely free AI tools. One creator uploaded only 3 videos on his channel and got monetized. Look at this. His third video got around 780,000 views, and that single video helped monetize the channel. Now check this out. The channel uploaded only 35 videos and gained over 6.5 million views, and the estimated monthly earnings are around $25,000. Why is the RPM so high? Because these are English long-form videos, usually over 30 minutes long. Longer videos mean more ads, and more ads mean higher RPM and bigger earnings. The channel name is Lost American Memories. Their content is based on American food history, but instead of copying them directly, you can create channels like Lost British Memories, Lost Italian Memories, Lost German Memories, and make videos about any country's forgotten food history. Today, I'll teach you the complete system step by step, including script writing, AI visuals, voiceovers, video editing, and even viral thumbnails. Before moving ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. In the video description, you'll find a link to my website. Open it and scroll down. You'll see a master prompt. This prompt generates video ideas, titles, full documentary scripts. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. First, it asks you which country you want to target. For example, let's choose United Kingdom. Now, ChatGPT instantly gives you multiple viral title ideas, like Forgotten Foods British People Ate During World War II, Foods Poor People Ate in Old Britain. Choose any idea you like. Then it asks how long you want the video to be. I recommend 20 to 40-minute videos because longer videos generate more watch time and higher earnings. Select your preferred length and ChatGPT starts generating your script automatically. When the first part finishes, simply type Next. Keep typing Next until your full script is complete. Now copy your script. Open Google AI Studio or Clipchamp. In Google AI Studio, click on Speech and Music. Select the free 3.1 model. Then choose the Storytelling option. Delete the sample text and paste your script. Now select your voice style. You can choose newscaster, natural narration, whisper style, adjust the speed and pacing if needed, then click Run. Your professional AI voiceover will generate instantly. Download the audio file. Go back to the website and copy the second master prompt. Paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Now it generates thumbnail prompts, image prompts, and motion prompts. It even gives you thumbnail text suggestions. Copy the thumbnail prompt, then go to Google Flow. Paste the prompt, select 16:9 ratio, and generate the image. The thumbnail style looks cinematic with colored food and black and white backgrounds, and the AI even leaves empty space for text placement. Download your favorite thumbnail in 2K quality, then type Yes in ChatGPT to generate image and video prompts for your scenes. Copy the image prompts and paste them into Whisk. Select 16:9 ratio and generate your images. Keep generating multiple images without waiting. Now take those images to Meta AI. Open the Vibes section, upload your image, paste the motion prompt from ChatGPT, click Animate, and your cinematic AI video starts generating. Repeat this process for all scenes. Use more videos and fewer still images to make your documentary more engaging. Import all clips into your video editor. Add the voiceover. If there's any watermark or logo, zoom into the clip slightly to remove it. Now apply vintage effects like old film, film grain, black noise. Then reduce the saturation slightly to create an old historical look. Add emotional background music and export the final video. Open Canva. Create a YouTube thumbnail project. Upload your AI-generated thumbnail image and set it as the background. Now add your text. Use the text suggestions generated by ChatGPT. For example, Britain's dark meals. Write each word separately for better styling. Make some words white and highlight one important word in red or yellow. This creates a powerful high CTR thumbnail. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also start earning with AI content creation.